Warning, this video contains strong language. The viewer's discretion is advised. Hi everyone. This footage has been passed to me by another driving instructor. Now, I've always gone on about the kind of abuse learner drivers and driving instructors get on their daily routes around Liverpool, and I'm sure it's the same in all different parts of the country. However, this video highlights it to an extreme. And this simply all happens just because the driving instructor stands his ground. I've said before that driving instructors are discriminated against, and I've had a few comments saying that's a little bit too strong. But is it? Do we get unfair treatment just because we've got that L plate on the car? I'll be interested on people's views. The incident happens on the next main section of road, and the audio's off at the moment because the instructor is on the phone to his missus. I'm not going to do any commentary on what I think, so it doesn't persuade or dissuade people's opinions. I'd just like to hear it from yourselves.
Wouldn't we?
No, they might not be planning on doing what?
What?
They might not plan on doing what?
But literally, that was it. And all this that follows comes from that pathetic little incident.
Problem? Dickhead. Not I'm arguing with some knobhead. What? Go away. Fuck off. Go for it. Knobhead. Some dickhead in a Britannia. Cut me up and just thinks he's dead hard. Jam-packed in traffic in Kenny. You're supposed to be a taxi driver. Some dickhead who thinks he's hard. Honest to God, it's been like that all day, you know. I have had all knobheads all day long, you know what I mean? Pricks. Yeah, I've just been going through this one, said he was stuck in the traffic in this one, didn't I? Yeah, so he shoots down the side, not letting me in. Next minute I need to move out, but a car moves in front of me, so I stayed there, yeah? So I didn't let him in, but he didn't like it. Because it didn't go his way, he didn't like it. Know what I mean? Honest to God, just knobhead drivers. For a car as well. I actually think it's a car. Know what I mean? DUU, I'm sure it's a car. Know what I mean? But if he's that hard, he'd get out of his car right now. We're stuck in traffic in Kenny. Literally stuck in traffic, you know what I mean? But he's alright beeping and giving me loads, putting his window down saying pull over right now, you know what I mean? Yeah, but we're stuck in traffic. I'm literally crawling now, 2 miles an hour in traffic now. But I've just been stopped and he's shouting, you're supposed to be a fucking driving instructor. Did you hear me shout? You're supposed to be a taxi driver. Yeah, and we're stopped. You know what I mean? They're just idiots. They're just idiots and a half. Honestly, one of them days today. You know what I mean? Come on, let's get on you a bit. Dunno. Oh.
This next bit I think was a great shout. Do a right turn, get out of the way. But watch, as soon as the driving instructor indicates and does his turn, the taxi brakes. He hasn't finished yet. And before someone comments, this is not the driving instructor's speed that he was driving down this road. In case you haven't noticed, it's been sped up.
Was targeted. The 21-year-old's body was found on a CCN Crescent at around 8 o'clock. Chief Inspector Jerry Harris is leading the case and says it's early days.
He's 21. He's from Manchester. Apart from that...
What's your problem?
What's my problem? You just fucking caught me up.
No, but go back. Listen a minute. Think, who's shouting at you? You listen a minute. Think what you've done. Think what you've done. That's what I mean. It catches everything. I didn't do that once to you. No, I never. See you jumping the gun. Think about Old Swan. What did you do when you shot out? Because you didn't want me to get there. You spotted the Mercedes. Fair? When you jumped in the right lane. When you jumped in the right lane. That's right, but was you behind me to begin with? You was. Lad, go away. I can do what I want. I even know whose the car is. I don't need to tell you that. I do know whose car is. It's definitely not yours. It's a settle car. That's alright, and I know whose the car is. I know whose the car is. I know whose the car is. You think just because I'm a driving instructor I don't know about nobody, mate? You're wrong. You're wrong. Sound. Write the reg down. Write me reg down. Go ahead. Sound. Alright, happy days.
Tell me who the car is. The car belongs to Britannia, no one else.
The car's not Britannia's.
The car is Britannia's, you dickhead. The car is fucking Britannia's, you need to the customer over here. Hey.
It's none of your business what I'm doing.
Don't make me jump out of this car.
Jog on. Yeah, can I speak to the police, please? Hey, look, I've got a car that's following me and won't go away from me. Yeah, he's telling me to fall over now.
Okay, why is he following you?
You shouldn't be driving people around. You shouldn't be learning people how to drive the way you drive. Right?
Listen, mate.
I don't know my name, right? I'm from Page Moss, right?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Don't need to know my name. Go ahead. What's your name?
I'll tell you mine.
Go on. Don't need to.
You tell me yours.
Where are you at the moment?
From Page Moss, lad. You give me around the car, Britannia's.
It's a Mud Shield Road, Belmont Road. I have to move my car every time because he's just giving pure abuse. I'm a driving instructor. It's L7.
Britannia taxis have been contacted over this, and apparently they gave a satisfactory response. So this doesn't seem to be a true representation of how Britannia operate. You will always get one bad egg in a basket. As always, thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe.